everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to hide your Tinder profile. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to take a break from Tinder and hide your profile so that others can't see you on Tinder, then simply tap open your Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, go tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now, from your profile page, tap on the settings button. Scroll until you find Show Me on Tinder option and simply toggle the button to off right next to Show Me on Tinder. Soon after you do that, your profile will be hidden from other profiles' discovery screen on Tinder. If you want to be discoverable on Tinder, then simply go to the same option and enable the toggle button, and that is it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.